Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning students. In this session we are going to discuss the most important concept in chemical bonding, that is called hybridization. So hybridization to play very important key role, especially to existing of the structure of the molecules. So hybridization only to decide the regular shape of the molecules or irregular shape of the molecule. So what is the importance of hybridization, especially in the chemical bonding? The complete information we are going to discuss in this session. So hybridization is nothing but generally actually one atom involved in the chemical bonding depending on the unpaired electron. Maybe A and B, two atoms are there. A has only two unpaired electron, but B approaching to the A with 4 orbital na appo enna aichi, but A has only two unpaired electron, but B required 4 unpaired electron. Appo A involved in the intermixing of atomic, original intermixing of atomic orbital, hence to form the new hybrid orbital, then you will start the hybridization. One more time I repeated nana, hybridization is the most important concept in the formations of the bonds, formations of the bond. For example, one more time I repeated, A and B, two atoms, they are involved in the bond formation. Appo A has only 2 unpaired electrons, but B required 4 unpaired electrons. But A has only 2 unpaired electrons. A ready to donate 2 unpaired electrons to the B, but B required 4 unpaired electrons. Appo A is involved in the hybridization concept, hence they donated 4 electrons to the B. Appo bond formation easily to form. This is the concept of hybridization. இப்போ ஒரு ஆட்டமுக்கு how many electrons are required, அந்த மாதிரி electrons arrange பண்ணா அதுதான் hybridization concept. So now here see, hence to form the regular shape and regular structure also. So now see Nana here, hybridization. The concept of hybridization was introduced by the Linus Pauling, most important scientist name Pauling. Hybridization concept was introduced by the Pauling scientist. What is the definitions of the hybridization? Already I said briefly. See one more time. The intermixing of atomic orbital. This intermixing of atomic orbital is present in the A. For example, already previously I explained one example. So the intermixing of atomic orbital of almost same energy and their redistribution into a equal number of identical orbital is known as the hybridization. Appo enna ichina, ipo one more time I repeated, A and B both of the two atoms da. A has only 2 unpaired electron, but B required 4 unpaired electron na. Appo from the A atom orbital are involved in the intermixing. After that the A can arrange the 4 unpaired electron to B the, that is called hybridization. So only one thing ஒரு ஆட்டமு arranged the orbitals unpaired electrons orbital to opposite atom they are involved in the hybridization concept. So the intermixing of atomic orbital of almost same energy. What are the intermixing of atomic orbital? They are intermixing later new orbitals are formed. That new orbital has same energy and their redistribution into equal number of identical orbital is known as the hybridization. Okay ma? So what is the hybridization? ஒரு ஆட்டமோ intermixing of atomic orbital almost same energy and their redistribution into an equal number of identical orbital is known as the hybridization concept. Now second point, the orbital of one and the same atom only involved in the hybridization. இப்போ ஒரு ஆட்டமு orbital simple thing nana A and B two atom, one more time repeated because we understanding the concept. A and B two atom, A has only 2 unpaired electron, B required 4 unpaired electron. Appo A ready to donated only 2 electron da appo, but it's not satisfied with 4, it is not satisfied the B atom. அப்போ என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா ஆல்ரெடி ஏ ஆட்டம்க்கு ஒரிஜினல் ஆர்பிட்டால்ஸ் இருக்குது, அந்த ஒரிஜினல் ஆர்பிட்டால் ஆர் இன்வால்வ்டு இன் த இன்டர்மிக்சிங்னா அப்போது நியூ ஹைப்ரிட் ஆர்பிட்டால்ஸ் ஆர் ஃபார்ம்டு. The new hybrid orbitals are formed na, the new hybrid orbitals are creating 4 unpaired electron. Appo the B atom is satisfied with bonding. So that is called hybridization. Appo inga hybridization A atom original orbital involved in the intermixing of orbital, hence to form the hybrid na new orbitals are created. So that is called hybridization process. So in the hybridization process enna the orbital of one and the same atom only involved in the hybridization. So oru atom lo orbitals only involved in the hybridization, and the hybridization is nothing but the atom to can prepare or to can form the new hybrid orbital. That new hybrid orbital bonded with opposite atom da. Next third point the orbital involving in the hybridization have different shape but almost same energy. இப்போ orbital involved in the hybridization na the molecular shape the after bond formation molecular shape the different aichi, but energy level of the orbital are same. Energy level of the orbital is same. So the orbital involving the hybridization have different shapes but almost same energy. The orbital involving the hybridization have different shape but almost the same energy. Next fourth point is the orbital formed in the hybridization process are called hybrid orbital. What are the original orbital or pure orbital involved in the hybridization? After completions of the hybridization concept, then new hybrid orbital are formed. That new hybrid orbitals are commonly called hybrid orbital. So one more time I will repeat this statement. It's a very important statement na. Ipo oru atom pure orbital involved in the intermixing of atomic orbital na apparama immediately new orbitals are formed. That new orbitals are called hybrid orbital. Is called hybrid orbital. So hybrid orbital how they are formed? Oru atom pure orbital are intermixing then to form the new hybrid orbital. These 4 statements are romba important ma, especially in the concept of hybridization. So one more time I repeated 4 points again. Hybridization concept was introduced by the Pauling. The intermixing of atomic orbital of almost same energy and their redistribution into an equal number of the identical orbital is known as the hybridization. And second point, the orbital of one and same atom only involved in the hybridization. The orbital involving in the hybridization have the different shapes but almost same energy. And fourth important point, the orbital formed in the hybridization process are called hybrid orbital. What are the new orbitals are formed in the process of hybridization? That orbital name is the hybrid orbital. This is the 4 important point. And fifth point enna, the hybrid orbital have same shape and same energy. What are the new hybrid orbital are formed after hybridization concept? That new hybrid orbital actually same shape, same energy. Same shape, same energy. The most important key point the new hybrid orbital is always having the same shapes and same energy. There is no any differ. What are the new hybrid orbitals are formed in the hybridization concept? That energy level and shapes levels are similar. There is no any differ. That is the most important key point. After that, according to the hybridization concept, electron filling in the hybrid orbital obeys the Hund rule and Pauli exclusive principle. It is also very important rule Ipo electron filled in the hybrid orbital according to the Hund rule and Pauli exclusive principle. You know that very well. What is the Hund rule? The electron filled in the orbital, first single electron, after pair the electron. For example, p orbital 3 sub-energy levels are there. Or 6 electrons irukana, first of all 3 electrons irukana, first one electron filled in the one sub-energy level, second electron filled in the second sub-energy level, third electron filled in the third sub-energy level. Maybe 6 electrons are present in the p orbital first one electron filled in the 3 sub-energy level, after that remaining 3 electrons joined to the first electron. That is called Hund rule. So in the hybridization point of view, electrons are filled in the according to the Hund rule, based on the Hund rule, and Pauli exclusive principle also applicable into the hybridization concept. Pauli exclusive principle is also applicable into the hybridization concept. What is the Pauli exclusive principle? No two electron is not equal to the 4 quantum number. No two electrons is not equal to the 4 quantum number. So, ipo one sub energy level lo 2 electrons irukku. So, 2 electron, one electron 4 quantum number, another electron 4 quantum number is differ. So, no two electron is not equal to the 4 quantum number. So, according to the hybridization concept, whenever electron filled in the orbital, it's obey the Hund rules and Pauli exclusive principle. Hund rules and Pauli exclusive principle. This is the 6th important point. Now 7th point enna, the hybrid orbital only in the sigma bond formed. They are never involved in the pi bond. So what are the after completions of the hybridization concept? One atom can form the hybrid orbital. It is nothing but new orbital. New orbital is always involved in the formation of the sigma bond. New hybrid orbital is always involved in the formation of the sigma bond. It's never too involved in the formation of the pi bond. It means after hybridization concept, what are the hybrid orbitals are formed? That hybrid orbital only can form the sigma bond. They never to form the pi bonds. That is the most important. So right now my question is, hybrid orbitals only form the sigma bond. You know that very well. How to form the sigma bond or pi bond? Sigma bonds are formed by the end-on end overlapping. End-on end overlapping. But pi bonds are formed the side-on-side overlapping. So the hybrid orbital is always involved in the end-on end overlapping and to form the sigma bond, but it's never to form the pi bond. This is the hybrid orbital information. So hybrid, whenever a hybrid orbital are formed, that a hybrid orbital only to form the sigma bond. It's not never to form the pi bonds. This is the 7th important point in the postulations of hybridization concept. Next, 8th point now. In the 8th point, the concept of hybridization was introduced to explain the. So basically, what is the uses of the hybridization concept in the chemical bonding point of view and chemistry point of view? The concept of hybridization was introduced to the explain shape of the molecule. The major important point is shape of the molecule, and the second one bond angle. It is decided to the hybridization concept is decided to the shape of the molecule and bond angles and bond length. These three important criteria or bond parameters are explained to the hybridization concept in the molecules. So one more time I repeated this statement. The concept of hybridization was introduced to explain the shape of the molecule and bond angles and bond length. Shape of the molecule, the molecular shapes was decided by the hybridization concept, and bond angle also decided by the hybridization concept, and bond length is also decided by the hybridization concept. This is the 8th important point. Now 9th important point enna, a half filled orbital, fully filled orbital, even vacant orbital can involved in the hybridization concept. So very important key point enna, ipo oru A atom B atom already explained this example. A atom lo maybe half filled orbitals irika or fully filled orbital irika or empty orbitals irikana ellame half filled orbital or fully filled orbital or vacant orbitals are involved in the hybridization concept, then to form the hybrid orbital. Hybrid orbital not only form the half filled and fully filled orbital from the A, even a vacant orbital also can form the hybrid orbital. The most important key point, the hybrid orbitals are formed by not only half filled orbital and even fully filled orbital, and vacant orbital is also it can easily to form the hybrid orbital in the hybridization concept. So this is the 9th important point. Now 10th point enna, the hybrid orbital more effective in the forming stronger bond. The hybrid orbital are more effective in the forming the stronger bond that leads to the formations of more stable molecule. Ipo hybrid orbital more effectively form the bonds na, molecular stability is also maximum. This is the another important point. And 11th point enna, some atoms undergoes different type of hybridization under different condition. So actually one atom not only existed one kind of the hybridization, there existed different type of the hybridization concept into the different type of the condition. For example, some molecules are showing sp, some atoms are showing sp, sp2, sp3. So different type of the hybridizations are they existed. That's why in 11th point of view, some atom undergoes different type of the hybridization under the different condition. Okay ma? Now 12th point see na, more the directional bond. Directional bond is more. The directional bond is more, the greater in the bond strength. இப்போ directional bond is more அதிகங்க இருக்கனா, bond strength is also maximum. For example, seen here, sp3 hybridization bond strength is maximum comparing to sp2 because of sp3 na single bond, sp2 na double bond da. So sp first sp3 is more bond strength, next sp2 hybridization, next sp hybridization, after pp overlapping, next sp overlapping, finally ss overlapping. These are the rules and regulations of the hybridization concept. Now how many types of hybridization is involved? Now see here, ஒரு ஆட்டம்లో s orbital p orbital are intermixing na, அப்போ அது sp hybridization. sp2 na ஒரு s orbital 2 p orbital are intermixing na, that is called sp2 hybridization. sp3 na ஒரு s orbital 3 p orbital. Here ஒரு s orbital p3 orbital 1d orbital intermixing na, that is called sp3d hybridization. sp3d2 na ஒரு s orbital p3 orbital 2d orbital are intermixing. இப்போ any one of the molecule are showing sp hybridization, the shape is the linear shape, sp2 trigonal planar, sp3 tetrahedral manner, and sp3d trigonal bipyramidal, sp3d2 is a square bipyramidal shape that existed. Now in this session we are going to in this session we have completed the entire the hybridization rules and regulation. Next in my next class we will discuss the examples of different examples of hybridization. Okay ma?